Hello YouTube, for your reviewing pleasure today, I have from Mirage Hobby the 1/400 scale U-Type 7C U-Boat. Again, this is in 1/400 scale. You can see this is Series 4. And taking a look at the back here, we do have a couple of other kit options available. Looking around the box, just has a little bit of information on it. Kit number on this is 40413. Pretty base information there. Taking a look at our instructions here. This one again is for the U-826. A little bit of history here. You might need Google Translate for if English happens to be your first language. We have here then the instructions on putting this together, which is just the two halves of the hull of the U-boat with the deck, conning tower up here, putting the gun mount bits in, putting our periscopes into place, guns on the back, fitting the rudders and propellers, making sure to get the right angles, and then putting all of the tiny little bits onto the conning tower and to the main bit there, and then your different decal options as well as color callouts down here at the bottom. So as you can see, it's a pretty basic set of instructions. Definitely would be something for a little bit more of an advanced modeler. Here is your decal sheet that it comes with. If I can get that to focus, there we go. So we have the broken swastika on German naval flag, and then a couple of pennants for 826. And as you can see, there's a sealed bag here, so we'll go ahead, grab that knife, and we'll get in here and see what comes in the kit. So the kit only has a couple of trees here. We have our main conning tower here. See the really nice detail here on the top. Luckily, all of the ejector pins are out of the way. However, it looks like one tiny little sinkhole may need to be filled on that one. Have our display base, along with periscopes, guns, gun mounts. Again, depending on how much you want to focus on the base, these might need to be filled. And also a couple of sink marks there that might need to be filled. And then we have our main hull, which is very nicely detailed. Really nice wood grain pattern on the decking as well. We have a couple of different types of decking, so just make sure you use the correct one for the variant that you're building. And since I have built one of these before, I did want to also mention, as you can see, there is no locating tabs on these, so might use a slower acting glue. So again, really pretty simple model. However, with a little bit of rigging detail, specifically to get the lines running up along the back, things like that. You can really detail these out, make them look absolutely amazing. I know that they do also make the photo etch frets for all of these parts here, but they do not obviously come in the kit. So if there is one downside to the kit, it is that it does not have any of the railing detail in it. So even in a plastic form. So hope you guys have enjoyed this look and have a wonderful rest of your day.